If you park in a garage, you have to be careful every time you swing open a door, because if you hit the wall, you can damage not only the wall, but more importantly, you can damage the edge of your door. So to prevent that from happening, we're going to make a bumper out of a simple pool noodle. These cost about $1 at any department store. And what you do is hold it against the wall and then open the door to see where to position the height of the bumper. In this case, we're going to be right about there. It's probably about 28 or 29 inches off the floor. And then we're going to attach it to the wall with a couple of 1 5/8 inch drywall screws. Just run the screws right through the noodle and into the wall on the other side. These are very lightweight, so you don't have to worry about catching a stud. If you just go right into the drywall, that's probably good enough. We're going to drive in probably about, I would say at least 4 of these. The noodle's about 4.5 feet long. Standard pool noodle. And put one more on this end. And you want to keep it pretty level. And the other important thing is you want to make sure the screws aren't positioned right at the edge of the door, because in case you bump it really hard, you don't want to hit the screw on the other side. So now, when you open up the door, it'll hit the pool noodle. And you notice I have the noodle off center. It's pushed back from the front of the door, and that way it protects not only the front door, but the back door as well.